Hey guys, it's me, Miss Mills, and the whole point of this video is to help you out with the IXL that you have to do on Monday. It is IXL I.6, and you have to complete it to 90%. And all it basically is you just got to figure out, use your notes from last week to figure out if a graph is proportional or not, or if an equation is proportional or not. So let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, it's I6. Cool. All right. So if you remember from your notes from last week, maybe I can pull them up real quick. Give me a second. Here we are. Proportional and non-proportional notes. If you remember from your notes, I talked about what would make a proportional graph. Well, what it is the line has to be straight. That's the first thing. The second thing is the line has to go through the origin. That's going to be the case for all proportional graphs. So let's look at these two graphs right here. Both of them are straight lines, and both of them go through the origin. So therefore, they're both proportional graphs. Let's keep going. All right. So again, the line has to be straight, and then the line has to go through the origin. They both do go through the origin, but this one is the only straight line. This one has a curved shape, so therefore it's not proportional. All right, so now we need to figure out what makes an equation proportional. Well, again, if you remember from your notes from last week, proportional equations will be written as y equals mx, where m is going to be the slope or the rate of change. And this is going to be an example. It'll always look like y equals a number x. Cool. So let's look at these equations. They both have a y equals x. There's an invisible 1 in front of this x right here, so 1 is going to be the slope. Since there's no y-intercepts on either of these, they're both proportional, and therefore we can keep going. All right, so the only one that looks like this one right here is going to be this one, so that's going to be our proportional equation. All right, we got a graph again. Click both of them because they're both straight lines. They both go through the origin. All right, so we're looking at these two equations. They may both look like a proportional relationship, but this one's the only one that has the x beside the slope. This one does not have an x beside the slope. So what this would be is that means no matter what x equals, y is going to equal 6. Therefore, this would give you a slope of 0 because no matter what x equals, y will always be 6. So the line would just go straight like this over the graph. Therefore, it's not proportional. All right, looking at graphs again, the only one that goes through the origin and is straight is this one right here. So that's our proportional one. Let me see if I can't skip a level. Challenge zone. Cool. All right, so both of these are equations because they have y equals slope x. Cool. Click both of them, hit submit. All right, same thing. This one is the only one that is straight as well as it goes through the origin. This one has a curve, therefore it's not proportional. So we'll hit submit. Both of these are proportional equations. All right, this one goes through the origin, is in a straight line, so therefore it's proportional. This one has a curve, therefore it's not. All right, cool. Both of these are proportional because they both go through the origin and they're both straight lines. Stop. All right. This one is proportional. This one is not. And the reason is if you go back to your notes, non-proportional equations had y equals mx plus b, where the m was the slope and the b is the y-intercept. This is a non-proportional equation. Therefore, that means that the minus 5/8 is your y-intercept. So that would make this equation not proportional. This one is though. So we can go ahead and hit submit. All right, same thing. This one's proportional because it does not have a y-intercept. This one's not because it does have a y-intercept. The line would pass through -2 instead of at the origin 0, 0. It would pass through -2 on the y-axis, by the way. Okay. All right, both of these are straight lines and they both go through the origin, so they're proportional. These have y equals slope x. There's no y-intercepts here, so therefore these would go through the origin. These are both proportional equations. And this one is proportional because it's straight line and it goes to the origin. This one is a zero slope, so that means the equation would be y equals 2. That is not proportional, therefore that's our answer. And there you go. Guys, if y'all have any questions about this IXL, make sure to contact me and I will help you out. I hope this video helps. I'll see you later. Bye.